Hi, I'm Aletha with WTI, and I love matcha tea. So matcha comes in a nice powder, and you can put it in tea and make hot tea. But this right here is a matcha latte. And how I made it is with this product called organic matcha. It's a premium organic matcha. It's by Kiss Me Organics. It is a really good product. It blends up so smoothly. All I did for my matcha latte was I added the organic matcha to water, and I can either use a bamboo whisk or I used a electronic frother. So I'm frothing with water and then add it to a nice cold glass of almond milk, and then just really enjoy what you created. It looks so beautiful. I added a couple of pieces of ice and I have a matcha latte. So this product is really good. It goes a long way. It makes about 25 cups of matcha tea, but for the latte I use 2 scoops instead of 1, and I have something that I really love and that I really could enjoy. So this is a great product. So I have something that I really love, and that is a nice cold glass of matcha latte. It's really good. So I really love the premium organic matcha by Kiss Me Organics. It's a really nice fine powder matcha. I really love it. I highly recommend it, and that is my point of view.